Hi everybody, I'm coming back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can easily find the passwords manager in your Opera browser and how to use that. Here we have to click these three lines at the top right corner in our web browser. And now we have to scroll all the way down so that we can see Go to Full Browser Settings. We have to click that, and here we have to scroll here to Advanced once again. Let's click that, and here we can see all different passwords. The first thing which is here is Password Manager. We have to click that, and here we have passwords. We can import it from a CSV file or add it manually. Here we can add a site, for example www.facebook.com, username, which is our mail, or just username, password, which is the password to our account, and for example this password will expire in 1 month. Let me add some quick data here, and as you can see, here we do have our website added. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.